In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hold button in Bluestacks 5. A hold button lets you press and keep a key active, just like holding shift to sprint or holding a skill button in many mobile games. Setting this up properly makes controls feel more natural and keeps your hands on the keyboard and mouse instead of constantly tapping the screen. First, open Bluestacks 5 and launch the game where you want to set up the hold behavior. It's important to be on the actual gameplay screen so you can see the on-screen button you want to control, like sprint, aim, or a special skill. Next, open the Keymapping tool. On the right sidebar, click the keyboard icon labeled Game Controls, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus A. This brings up the control editor where you'll place and configure the keybinds that translate your keyboard and mouse into screen touches. Now, add the hold button behavior. Click Advanced Controls to reveal the full toolkit. Choose either Touch Action or D-pad Tap Spot. Both can trigger a press on a specific area. Tap Spot is great for a single on-screen button, while Touch Action offers more flexibility if you need it. Drag your chosen control onto the exact on-screen button you want to hold. A small settings panel will appear for that control. Here, enable hold or repeat while holding. Hold keeps the press down as long as you keep your key pressed. Repeat while holding rapidly taps while you hold, which is ideal for abilities that require repeated activation rather than a true press and hold. Assign a key that feels natural, such as Shift, F, or a mouse button. Try to avoid keys already bound to other actions in your game to prevent conflicts. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right corner of the editor, then close the editor. Jump back into the game and test by holding the key you assigned. You should see the in-game button behave as if your finger is held down on it, or rapidly tapping if you chose repeat while holding. If it doesn't work the way you expect, make a quick adjustment. Reopen the editor and nudge the control so it sits directly over the game's button hotspot. Some buttons have smaller touch areas than they look. If the action requires taps rather than a long press, try switching between tap, hold, and repeat action in the settings to match what the game needs. Save again, test, and fine-tune until it feels right. With a few tweaks, your hold key will feel seamless and responsive every time you play.